Welcome to Hotel Management and Hotelier's Life. If you're passionate about the art of hospitality, tips to excel, and behind-the-scenes hotel experiences, you're in the right place. Don't miss out! Hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of excellence in hospitality.
In this video I will explain how to take water order and serve on table. Taking the water order, approach the table. 1. Walk towards the guest table with confidence and a pleasant smile. 2. Stand in a poised posture to maintain professionalism. Greet the guest. 1. Politely greet the guest according to the time of day, for example, "Good evening, sir/madam." 2. Introduce yourself briefly if appropriate. Ask for water preferences. 1. Use a courteous tone to inquire, "May I offer you some water? Would you prefer still, sparkling, or regular water?" Specify the brands of still and sparkling water if applicable, for example, we have Evian, San Pellegrino, etc. Confirm the order. 1. Repeat the guest's preference to confirm, "Certainly, one still water for you. Would anyone else like water?" Ensure understanding. 1. If the guest asks for regular water, clarify if they would prefer chilled or room temperature water. 2. For large groups, ensure everyone's preferences are noted individually. Serving the water, preparation. 1. Retrieve the appropriate type of water, still, sparkling, or regular, from the designated area. 2. Ensure the bottle is clean and chilled, if applicable. 3. For regular water, ensure the water jug is filled and fresh. Serving equipment. 1. Use a clean and polished water tray to carry the bottle/jug and glasses. 2. Ensure the glasses are spotless and free of fingerprints or watermarks. Approach the table. 1. Carry the water on a tray with your left hand, and use your right hand for pouring, if needed. 2. Stand to the right of the guest for serving, as per the standard of serving from the right. Present the bottle, if applicable. 1. For bottled water, present the label to the guest and confirm, "Your still water, sir/madam." 2. Open the bottle at the table with a bottle opener, ensuring no spills. Pour the water. 1. Hold the bottle/jug slightly above the glass without touching the rim. 2. Pour gently, filling the glass to 3/4 to avoid spillage and allow room for ice if requested. 3. Serve ladies and senior guests first, followed by others. Serve additional glasses. 1. Move clockwise around the table to serve others, refilling glasses as needed. Monitor and refill. 1. Regularly observe guests' glasses throughout the meal. 2. Refill promptly when the glass is 1/3 full, always offering before pouring. Handling requests. 1. If the guest requests ice, bring a clean ice bucket with tongs and serve the ice separately. 2. For lemon or other garnishes, serve them on a side plate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.